called Transformer Vandalization Protector. We came up with this project following the menace that is taking place in our country. We get to see that our transformers are being vandalized, stolen, even others are being oil siphoning. Wanachota mafuta, inatumika kupika vitu kama chipo, ambapo at the end of the day we get to see that sisi ni wagonjwa, vijana tunakufa mapema na maisha inaishi hapo. So we came with this project to curb that particular problem. So this project in a sense the vandal who comes near the transformer, and it makes a call to the relevant authority, notifying them that transformer at which place there's someone doing something wrong at that particular transformer. So by doing that, it releases a shock to this casing that you are seeing here, His Excellency, so that this vandal may not be able to access the casing because he will be electrocuted. It will have power. So our president, we also beseech you that this project we want to make it in mass numbers in our country. We want to make prototype so that we get to have production in our own country, so that we increase the electricity in our household. As also we get to see that in the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, it is one of the agendas there under electricity. So our president, we do beseech you that this particular project, alongside making it in our own country, we want also to make it in mass and export it in various countries, hence improving our economy.